June 23, 2001, an earthquake of 8.4 hit the southern coast of Peru, as shown in the map as light blue dot area near the South American coast. The start points to the epicenter of the earthquake. The colors show the intensity of the earthquake. Green indicates moderate, yellow indicates strong to very strong, and red indicating severe to violent. 74 people killed, 2689 injured, 17,854 homes destroyed and 35,601 homes damaged, and many historic buildings at Arequipa were destroyed or damaged. It occurred as a result of thrust faulting on the plate boundary interface between Nazca and South America plates. This earthquake produced a tsunami of 7 meters in height, resulting in many casualties in the South American coast. On 25 September 2003, an earthquake of magnitude 8.3 hit Hokkaido, Japan region. The yellow star is the epicenter of the earthquake. The colors show the intensity of the earthquake. Green indicates moderate, yellow indicates strong to very strong, and red indicating severe to violent. This was a great undersea earthquake, causing tsunami and landslides. The impact was 849 injured and 2 missing people. This earthquake also resulted in a tsunami of 4 meters height. Landslides, power outages, and roads were damaged, estimated at $90 million USD. On 6 September 2018, the same region experienced an earthquake of magnitude 6.7, resulting in 30 deaths, 6 missing, all due to landslides. The earthquake of magnitude 9.1 that hit the west coast of northern Sumatra on December 26, 2004, was the third largest since the 1900s. The yellow star represents the origin. The colors on the map show the intensity. Green indicates light, yellow indicates moderate to strong, and red indicates severe to violent. More than 283,000 people were killed, 1,400 were missing, and 126,000 were displaced by this earthquake and the subsequent tsunami in 10 countries in South Asia and East Africa. This was felt in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. The mud volcano on Andaman Islands became active on December 28, and gas emissions were reported in Myanmar. The tsunami caused by this earthquake caused more casualties than any other in recorded history, and was recorded worldwide on tide gauges. In Indian Pacific and Atlantic Ocean, this also caused subsiding a portion of some islands and uplifting of some region of Sabi Island. On March 23, 2005, an earthquake of magnitude 8.4 hit northern Sumatra. The blue dot on map Indonesia. The yellow star shows the origin. The color shows the strength of the earthquake. Yellow moderate to strong and red severe to violent. A great deal of damage resulted from the shaking related to the March 28, 2005 event. At least 1,300 people killed, 340 injured, and 300 buildings destroyed as a result of the 3-meter tsunami. Tsunami of lesser height were also observed in Sri Lanka, Maldives, and Bay of Bengal, India. As a result of this earthquake, this 2005 and 2004 earthquakes caused subsiding a portion of some islands, and uplifting of some region in Andaman Islands, Sumatra and Mapur Islands, which had coral reefs. This uplifting caused the drying of corals in the uplifted region. On 12 September 2007, an earthquake of magnitude 8.5 hit southern Sumatra. This is the fourth earthquake of magnitude 8+ to happen in the first decade of the 21st century. The yellow star represents the origin. The colors on the map show the intensity. Green indicates light, yellow indicates moderate to strong, and red indicates severe to violent. 25 people killed and at least 161 injured. 56,425 buildings damaged or destroyed, and roads damaged in Bengkulu and Sumatra. This was felt in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand and Maldives. Tsunamis of much lesser height were generated in the Indian Ocean, and were felt on the shores of Australia, Indonesia, Maldives, Mauritius, Oman, Seychelles, Sri Lanka and Thailand. The 2004, 2005 and 2007 subduction zone earthquakes in this area caused a large rupture of around 2,000 kilometers in the Jagasunda Trench, between North and Andaman Islands and Andaman Island. On February 27, 2010, an earthquake of magnitude hit offshore Bio, Chile. The total economic loss in Chile was estimated at $30 billion. The yellow star represents the epicenter of the earthquake. The colors show the intensity of the earthquake. Green indicates moderate, yellow indicates strong to very strong, and red indicating severe to violent. This earthquake caused tsunamis on shores of American Samoa, Chile, Cook Islands, Canada, Ecuador, French Polynesia, Japan, Mexico, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, Samoa and USA. At least 523 people killed, 24 missing, about 12,000 injured, 800,000 displaced and at least 370,000 houses, 4,013 schools, 79 hospitals and 4,200 boats damaged or destroyed by the earthquake and tsunami in Chile. At least 1.8 million people were affected by this earthquake. This earthquake uplifted land by about 2 meters. At the beach of Ligu near the Rocco province, the uplifted marine platform gave insights about the marine ecosystem in that area. An earthquake of magnitude 9.1 hit east coast of Honshu, Japan on 11th March 2011. The total economic loss in Japan was estimated at $309 billion. The yellow star represents the epicenter of the earthquake. The colors show the intensity of the earthquake. Green indicates moderate, yellow indicates strong to very strong, and red indicating severe to violent. At least 15,703 people killed, 4,647 missing, 5,314 injured, 130,927 displaced and at least 332,395 buildings, 2,126 roads, 56 bridges and 26 railways destroyed or damaged by the earthquake and tsunami. Along the entire east coast of Honshu, the majority of casualties and damage occurred from a Pacific-wide tsunami, with The maximum run-up height of 37.88 meters at Miyako. Electricity, gas and water supplies, telecommunications and railway service disrupted, and several reactors severely damaged at a nuclear power plant near Fort Humor. Several fires occurred in Chiba and Miyagi. At least 1,800 houses destroyed when a dam failed in Fukushima. One person killed and several houses destroyed in Indonesia by a tsunami with a wave height of 2 meters. One person killed and several boats and docks destroyed. War damaged in California by a tsunami. Some buildings damaged slightly in the Galapagos Islands, Ecuador by a tsunami. Several houses destroyed at Peru. Several buildings destroyed at Chile. On April 11, 2012, an earthquake of magnitude 8.6 occurred off the west coast of northern Sumatra. Estimated economic losses at $1 million. The yellow star represents the origin. The colors on the map show the intensity. Green indicates light, yellow indicates moderate to strong, and red indicates severe to violent. At least 2 people killed, 8 others died from heart attacks, 12 injured and some buildings damaged in Aceh, Indonesia. Tsunamis of lesser heights were recorded at Indonesia, Australia, Bangladesh, Maldives, Mauritius and Sri Lanka. Earthquake of magnitude 8.3 hit west of Ilatil, Chile, on September 16, 2015. Area shown as blue dot on map. The yellow star represents the origin. The colors on the map show the intensity. Green indicates light, yellow indicates moderate to strong, and red indicates severe to violent. At least 15 people killed, 34 injured, 4 missing and more than 16,006 for 6 displaced and 1,069 houses destroyed, 1,791 damaged from the earthquake and tsunami in Chile. The landslide occurred at Chile. 1 person died of heart attack while running out of a building in Argentina. On 8 September 2017, an earthquake of magnitude 8.2 hit Tres Picos, Mexico. Economic loss estimated to be $100,000 million. The yellow star represents the origin. The colors on the map show the intensity. Green indicates light, yellow indicates moderate to strong, and red indicates severe to violent. At least 98 people killed and 250 injured. Thousands of houses and hundreds of schools damaged or destroyed. Water service disrupted. About 1.84 million homes lost electricity in southern Mexico. Windows shattered at International Airport, Mexico City. Unconfirmed report of 1 person killed in Guatemala. The destructive tsunami occurred along the coast of Chiapas, Mexico.